Base assembly. Insert the 5 base legs into the central base hub and align the screw holes. Secure the base legs with the 10mm 6x14 screws using the T-handle Allen wrench. Insert a caster into each base leg. Install the base center cover over the central base hub. Insert the gas cylinder into the center of the central base hub. Armrest installation. Align both armrests with the mounting holes under the seat cushion. Prepare 6mm 625 screws. Secure both armrests with the 6mm 625 screws using the T-handle Allen wrench. Tilt mechanism installation. Place the full washers over the corresponding mounting holes. Prepare for M625 screws. Align and secure the tilt mechanism with the 4M 625 screws using the T-handle Allen wrench. Backrest bracket installation. Slide the backrest bracket onto the backrest. Prepare for M635 screws. Secure the backrest bracket with the 4 M635 screws using the T-handle Allen wrench. Check that the backrest height adjusts smoothly. If the fit is too tight, slightly loosen the screws. Install the backrest cover. Backrest installation. Align the assembled backrest with the tilt mechanism. Prepare 3M 820 screws. Secure the backrest to the tilt mechanism with the 3M 820 screws using the T-handle Allen wrench. Chair body installation. Align the hole in the tilt mechanism with the top of the gas cylinder, then press down firmly. Headrest installation. Insert the headrest into the top of the backrest until it clicks into place. Disassembly. Pull the headrest upward to remove it. Raise the seat fully, then rock it from side to side to remove it. Tap the bottom of the gas cylinder with a rubber mallet to remove it. Ready to use.